yw Alan Evans, fi o Gaerdydd.
Jay Wally ydw i, wi'n dod o Pontypridd.
The residency is such a unique experience. It's so exciting and it's so different to anything that I've ever done. In the audition, you can actually just be yourself. You don't have to think that you're performing. You don't have to be conscious of that. You can just be yourself, and it just really relaxes you.
You learn to communicate. You learn to work as a team, and that for me is completely National Theatre Wales. It's just combining everyone, using your talents, and it just creates an amazing atmosphere that you really, really want to work in.
Get a good night's sleep before the audition, come in, be willing to give anything a go. Before you audition for backstage, you're more likely to be able to work in a team. You might not have any technical skills, you don't need to have them. They help. You have people who will help you train up, learn different aspects, find what you're interested in.
I'm Jess, I'm from Brecon.
And think, what would the character, or what does the character think at this moment? It makes you understand it a lot more, and if you understand it, then the audience understand it.
Mae fe amdano unigolion, pobl hollol wahanol yn dod at ei gilydd ac yn creu darn o waith sy'n mynd I aros yn y co gyda pobl am blynyddoedd ddod. Gymaint o unigolion gyda'i gilydd I gallu cydweithio mewn ensemble, bod nhw'n gwybod yn union beth pawb yn neud a bod nhw'n gallu gweithio mor dda gyda'i gilydd. A fi'n credu, ers gweld rhywbeth fel hwnna, fi erioed I gweld rhywle arall.
Appreciate you as a person.
That person
you can
absolutely
go anywhere you want with them and they just challenge
do
you.
anything.
They make you.
That is the best thing about it.
I'm Lan Holland, I'm from Wrexham.
My name is Alice Duffy, I'm from Cardiff, I live in St Mellons.
When you finish the course at the end, you're just so proud of yourself and you're so proud of the people that you've been working with for all of that time.